everybody, it's your girl Mrs. Garcia coming back with another video. To all my new watchers, hello and welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the bell notification down below. Today this one will be for my garlic lovers, my butter lovers, my seafood lovers. I'm going to show you guys how to make a quick garlic lemon pepper Dungeness crab and shrimp. I'm going to show you everything I put inside. Let's get started. So I did have 2 clusters of Dungeness crab. I'm just going to wash those and remove all the poop and the gunk from it, as well as some deveined shrimp, but you always want to check and make sure they are fully deveined. I even removed the vein from underneath the shrimp. You're going to need some butter, some garlic salt, and also some lemon pepper. I'm just going to steam up my crab for about 10 minutes. This also helps remove the extra salt and oceany taste from it. And I'm just going to add a stick of butter and 1/3 butter to my pan and start getting that ready. That will basically just be the sauce for our crab and our shrimp. Next, I'm going to go in with 2 teaspoons of minced garlic and just saute that around until it becomes fragrant. Next, I'm going to add some parsley and some lemon pepper. Then you want to go in with your garlic salt. You want to add half a teaspoon to a teaspoon. Just adjust the seasonings to your liking. And we're just going to saute that for another 1 to 2 minutes. I did remove half of the sauce, that way I can add it to the crab and shrimp once everything is done. But with the remaining, I'm just going to now cook my shrimp. And remember, shrimp does cook fast, so it only takes about 1 to 2 minutes. Beautiful. So once our shrimp is done, we are going to remove those and place them to the side because you do not want to overcook your shrimp. Now to our sauce, we are going to add lemon juice and our crab legs. And you just want to make sure all of your crab leg is fully coated in the sauce. And I did cook it until the crab did get a nice crust from the butter on top. So that did take about 5 to 7 minutes. It smells so good. So buttery, so garlicky. I love it. So after 7 minutes, I did add my shrimp back to the pan. And I just gave that all a nice toss for about 1 minute. And then I plated and added the remaining butter sauce to the top of my crab and my shrimp. Look at all that garlic, that butter, so delicious. Now you can enjoy this with white rice or go ahead and make noodles. It goes good either or. I did have this with white rice. I hope you guys all enjoy this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this content. And hit the bell notification down below so you can be notified for the next video. And for more tasty recipes, go ahead and hit the playlist at the end.